Today's thought is yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present.
Good morning, babies. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy at home. Yes, yes. So, babies, now let's start our day with a beautiful rhyme. Yes, yes. Okay, now do it with me. What are these? These are fingers. These are fingers. So, let's do a finger song. Okay? Take out your one finger. Okay. One finger, turn, 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 turn to a worm, turn to a worm, crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, 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 turn to a rabbit, jump, jump, jump. Now, three fingers, turn, 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 turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Four fingers, turn, 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 turn to a cat, turn to a cat. Meow, meow. Now, five fingers, turn, 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 turn to a lion, roar, roar. Yes? Yay! So let's do one more time, but this time little faster. Okay? One finger, turn, 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 turn to a worm, crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, 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 turn to a rabbit, jump, jump. Now, three fingers, turn, 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 turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Four fingers, turn, 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 turn to a cat, meow, meow. Five fingers, turn, 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 turn to a lion, roar, roar. Enjoyed the rhyme? Yes? Yes. Alright, babies. Please, you are learning numbers in maths? Yes? Okay, so let's revise all the numbers one by one. Okay, first we'll revise with our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And which new number you are learning, babies? Yes, you are learning number 8. Number 8. Okay, now after revising all the numbers with our fingers, let's revise all the numbers with the help of a snowman. Okay? Alright, babies, now let us revise all the numbers one by one. So, wow, can you all see what all I have? I have a rolling dice, okay, a snowman, and few colorful buttons for our snowman. So what I am going to do, I am going to roll this dice, and whatever number will come here, we will put that much buttons on our snowman. Okay? Ready? Ready. So babies, as you all see, this is a dice and I have numbers written here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and rest number 7 and 8 is here. So what Farah ma'am is going to do, Farah ma'am is going to roll the dice and we will decorate our snowman. You will tell Farah ma'am. Okay, now roll, 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 roll. Oops, which number is this? Number 1. Number 1. So Farah ma'am will take how many buttons? 1? Yes. Yay. Right, so, whoa, which number is this? Number 6. Okay, so let us take out how many buttons? 6 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it correct? Yes. Alright, now next number. Ooh, number 3. So we will take how many buttons? 3 buttons. 1, 2. Is it fine? No. One more. 3. Yay. Now let us choose from 7 and 8. Now let me just flip it. Now let's see. Yay! Number 8. So let us put 8 buttons on snowman. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yay! What I have? Babies, Farah ma'am is having a pizza slice. Can you all see? I have pizza slices with me. So first let us count how many pizza slices I have. Okay? You all have to count with Farah ma'am. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Wow! Alright, so babies, I have 8 pizza slices. How many? 8. How many? 8 pizza slices. So, you know what we are going to do, babies? Do you find something incomplete on these pizza slices? Are they looking tasty? No, because it doesn't have any toppings. So I have few toppings with me. So what Farah ma'am is going to do? Farah ma'am is going to put toppings on these pizza slices for my babies. Yes? Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to put toppings on our pizzas. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to take a Fevicol. We are going to apply Fevicol on this pizza slices. Okay, I have already applied the Fevicol on the pizza slices. What we are going to do? We are going to put toppings on them. Okay. Ooh, wow, now it will look yummy. We'll put some corns, onions, capsicum, corn. Babies, you can decorate your pizza slices with any toppings, okay? Yes, ma'am? Okay. Now it looks yummy. Yay! Oh, wow. Oops, let me just shift it here. Oh, wow. Our pizzas are getting ready. Yes. Yes. Isn't it looking beautiful now? Yes? Yes. It's looking beautiful now. Yummy, yummy pizza. Wow. Okay. Wow, our pizza is ready. Yay! So let me just take out one pizza slice and so babies, let us count once again the pizza slices. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it looks so yummy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay!
Okay, babies, now let us revise number 8. Before starting, let us see what is the date today. Today is 19th August 2020. What is the date? Date is 1919. And which month is going on? August. And what is the day? Wednesday.
Babies, now see, I have some beads here on my board. So let's count 8 beads. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yay! Alright babies. So we write numbers in boxes. See, Farah ma'am is having few boxes here. So let me just give you a recap of how to write number 8. Take out your pointer fingers. Yes, pointer fingers out. Pencil on the dot. Make a S curve. Go up and touch. Yay! Easy. Let us revise one more time. Make a S curve. Go up and touch. Yay! Now let us revise in the box. So babies, now pencil on the dot. Make a S curve. Go up and touch. Easy. Okay, now pencil on the dot. Make a S curve. Go up and touch. Easy. Now pencil on the dot. Make a S curve. Go up and touch. Yay! So babies, you have to do this page in your maths workbook. Page number is 2929. Thank you so much babies. Bye.